Guys, naligo po kami sa aming swimming pool. Tara. Guys, ito po guys, aming swimming pool guys. Ang sarap guys sa aming swimming pool. Ang sarap talaga ng aming swimming pool guys. So guys, sa aming swimming pool guys.